anyways, guys, we're in my wife's SUV. This is a Nissan Rogue. It wasn't a car accident before, so it's gonna have like many codes. So let's go ahead and try to scan this vehicle. This is an Asian vehicle, so we're gonna select that. Let's choose Nissan. Here we go. Let's do the diagnostics. Let's do the engine diagnostics first. By the way, guys, I dropped this thing in the dirt, so it's got a little bit of dust, so I gotta wipe it down. Okay, no fault codes detected. So let's go back. Let's do the transmission. I know we have a bunch of airbag codes. There's like no problems with this car right now, but we do have some airbags codes in here. So I wonder about the transmission, if there's any transmission codes. So we'll take a look. Up, down, shift, switch. Okay, let's escape. Let's just erase that thing. We have a pedal shifter in here system, which shifts on a steering wheel. So possibly one of those things gave a code. Let's go to ABS, find out what ABS says. We did install different type of wheels in here before, and possibly the custom ABS issues because they're different size from a Nissan Murano. So let's see what we're gonna get here. Yeah, model R51 produced on year before. Okay, this is, I guess, a choice for the ABS. Okay, no codes there. Now let's go to airbag. We should have plenty of codes for the airbag. Okay, read codes. Look at all of these things here. We have frontal collision, side collision, driver airbag module. My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.